Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Acura MDX. 7-star auto sales, where luxury meets performance. This 4-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Acura has less than 143,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Looking for a ride that's both luxurious and practical? Feast your eyes on the 2017 Acura MDX SH, all-wheel drive W/Tech. This baby is loaded with all the factory features you could dream of. Let's start with the engine, a 3.5L V6 with 290 horses under the hood and 267 feet-pounds of torque. You'll be zooming around town like it's nobody's business. The exterior is a sleek white diamond pearl that'll turn heads, and the grey stone leather interior is soft and comfy. You'll feel like royalty behind the wheel. But wait, there's more. This beauty gets 18 mpg in the city and 26 mpg on the highway. Say goodbye to frequent gas stops. With only one owner and a clean CARFAX report, you can trust this vehicle is in excellent condition. So what are you waiting for? Come take a test drive and see why the 2017 Acura MDX SH, all-wheel drive W/Tech is the ultimate ride for those who demand both style and substance. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.